Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best HP XL67 ink cartridges black color combo pack. If you own an HP printer, you know how important it is to use high-quality ink cartridges that produce vibrant prints and offer a longer-lasting performance. This combo pack does exactly that, ensuring you can print more pages while maintaining the clarity and color accuracy you need. The HP 67XL ink cartridges combo pack includes 2 cartridges, one black and one color. Both cartridges are designed for high yield, which means you get up to 440 pages from the black ink and 360 pages from the color ink. These numbers are significantly higher than standard cartridges, making this combo pack a great choice for both home and office use where printing demands are higher. The ink inside these cartridges is designed to deliver sharp, professional quality text and vibrant color documents, ensuring your prints look as good as they feel. Not only does the HP 67XL ink deliver exceptional print quality, but it also provides a cost-effective solution. With the high yield capacity, you'll find that you don't need to replace the ink as often, which means fewer trips to the store or online orders. Plus, the installation process is quick and easy. Simply click in the cartridges, and you're ready to print. One thing to keep in mind is that these ink cartridges are compatible with HP printers, including the E series. Which means they work great with smart printers connected to your devices via Wi-Fi, offering you the convenience of remote printing. This is a fantastic option if you need ink that can handle regular, everyday printing tasks without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the HP 67XL ink cartridges black color combo pack is a solid choice for those who want reliability, affordability, and high performance from their ink cartridges. Whether you're printing documents, images, or school reports, these cartridges will meet your needs with ease. Be sure to check them out and see for yourself why they are a top pick for HP printer users. That wraps up our review for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on products you need.